Imagine a world where the fear of Alzheimer's disease no longer lingers at the back of your mind. A world where memory loss is not an inevitable part of aging, but a challenge we can meet head-on. As we strive for longer, healthier lives, one of the most pressing concerns is preserving our cognitive abilities. What if the key to safeguarding your brain health could be found not in a laboratory, but in the vibrant colors of your local produce aisle? Recent scientific research is shining a spotlight on a remarkable group of foods: purple-hued vegetables, and in particular, the purple sweet potato. Let's delve into the science behind this striking vegetable and uncover how its unique properties might help bolster your memory and protect your brain against the ravages of Alzheimer's disease. The purple sweet potato, known for its rich, jewel-toned flesh, is more than just a feast for the eyes. It's packed with anthocyanins, natural compounds that give the potato its signature color. But anthocyanins are more than mere pigments. They're potent antioxidants, capable of combating the cellular stress and inflammation that lie at the heart of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. In a landmark study published in 2010, researchers explored the effects of purple sweet potato color extract on aging mice. The findings were nothing short of remarkable. Mice that consumed the extract showed significant improvements in cognitive function, outperforming their peers in memory tests. Even more compelling, the brains of these mice exhibited less oxidative damage and reduced inflammation, two key drivers of Alzheimer's pathology. These results suggest that the anthocyanins in purple sweet potatoes may help shield brain cells from the relentless wear and tear of aging, potentially slowing or even staving off cognitive decline. But why are antioxidants so crucial for brain health? To understand this, we must look at how Alzheimer's disease takes hold. Over time, our brains accumulate molecular damage, much of it fueled by oxidative stress. This process is akin to rust slowly corroding the intricate machinery of our minds. Free radicals, unstable molecules generated by normal metabolism and environmental factors, attack brain cells, damaging their membranes, DNA, and proteins. As this damage mounts, it triggers inflammation, which further accelerates neuronal death and the loss of memory and reasoning abilities. Anthocyanins, the star compounds in purple sweet potatoes, are especially adept at neutralizing these free radicals. By quenching oxidative stress, they help maintain the integrity of neurons and prevent the cascade of inflammation that leads to cognitive impairment. In the 2010 study, mice treated with purple sweet potato extract not only performed better on tests of learning and memory, but also showed fewer signs of brain inflammation. This double-pronged defense, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, makes anthocyanins powerful allies in the fight against neurodegeneration. Purple sweet potatoes aren't the only purple-hued foods making waves in the world of brain health. Another standout is purple riceberry, a special variety of pigmented rice. In a 2011 study, researchers examined the effects of riceberry on rats subjected to conditions that mimic Alzheimer's disease. The results were promising. Rats that consumed riceberry had less memory impairment and showed greater preservation of neurons in the hippocampus, a region of the brain essential for learning and memory. The scientists attributed these benefits to the rice's rich antioxidant content, suggesting that pigmented grains might also serve as neuroprotective foods. The implications of these studies are profound. They suggest that incorporating colorful, anthocyanin-rich vegetables and grains into your diet may do more than add variety to your plate. They could actively support brain health and help shield you from cognitive decline. While these findings are based on animal models, they offer a tantalizing glimpse into the potential of food as medicine and underscore the importance of dietary choices in shaping our brain's future. So, how can you harness the power of purple vegetables to protect your brain? The answer lies in a holistic approach to nutrition, one that embraces variety and prioritizes nutrient-dense, colorful foods. The Mind Diet, a nutritional plan specifically designed to support brain health, provides a useful framework. Developed by researchers studying the links between diet and dementia, the Mind diet emphasizes the consumption of leafy greens, berries, nuts, whole grains, and, notably, a wide array of vegetables, including those with vibrant purple hues. Studies have shown that individuals who closely follow the Mind diet experience a slower rate of cognitive decline and may have a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. In particular, regularly eating berries and other pigmented plant foods has been linked to better memory and sharper thinking as we age. By making purple sweet potatoes and other anthocyanin-rich vegetables a staple in your meals, you can take a proactive step towards safeguarding your brain. But the benefits of purple sweet potatoes extend beyond their anthocyanin content. These vegetables are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Fiber supports gut health, which is increasingly recognized as a key player in brain function and inflammation. Vitamins such as vitamin C and E offer additional antioxidant protection, while minerals like potassium help regulate blood pressure, a factor closely linked to cognitive performance. To maximize the brain-boosting potential of purple sweet potatoes, consider incorporating them into your diet in a variety of ways. Roasted, mashed, or baked, their natural sweetness and creamy texture make them a versatile ingredient in both savory and sweet dishes. Pair them with other colorful vegetables for a nutrient-packed meal, or blend them into soups and stews for an extra dose of antioxidants. It's important to note that while the research on purple sweet potatoes and cognitive health is promising, it is still in its early stages. Most studies so far have been conducted in animals, and more research is needed to confirm these effects in humans. However, the evidence we do have points to a clear message. What you eat matters for your brain, and adding more colorful vegetables to your diet is a smart and delicious way to invest in your cognitive future. In addition to incorporating anthocyanin-rich foods like purple sweet potatoes, adopting other healthy lifestyle habits can further protect your brain. Regular physical activity, mental stimulation, adequate sleep, and social engagement have all been shown to support cognitive function and reduce the risk of dementia. Combined with a nutrient-rich diet, these strategies offer a comprehensive defense against memory loss and cognitive decline. As you consider your next meal, imagine the long-term impact of your choices. A plate filled with vibrant colors is not just visually appealing, it's a powerful tool in your quest for lifelong brain health. Purple sweet potatoes, with their remarkable antioxidant properties, are more than just a trendy superfood. They represent a beacon of hope in the battle against Alzheimer's disease, offering a natural, accessible, and enjoyable way to nourish your mind. So, the next time you spot those brilliant purple tubers at the market, remember their hidden potential. By making them a regular part of your diet, you're not only treating your taste buds, but also giving your brain the support it needs to stay sharp, resilient, and full of life. The fight against Alzheimer's is far from over, but with science on our side, and a little help from nature's palette, we can take meaningful steps towards a future where memory loss is no longer a foregone conclusion. Recent research has spotlighted the remarkable neuroprotective power of purple vegetables, especially purple sweet potatoes. These vibrant tubers are packed with anthocyanins, compounds shown in animal studies to reduce oxidative damage and inflammation in the brain, two key contributors to Alzheimer's disease. Notably, purple sweet potato extracts have improved memory and increased brain-derived neurotrophic factor in rats. Including purple vegetables like sweet potatoes, riceberry, and beets in your diet may provide critical support for memory and cognitive health. Building on these findings, recent research has also drawn attention to purple riceberry, a unique variety packed with antioxidants. In animal studies, purple riceberry has shown a remarkable ability to prevent memory impairment and protect brain cells from degeneration, further underscoring the neuroprotective power of purple vegetables. Additionally, beets, another vibrant option, contain betanin, a compound that may slow Alzheimer's progression by reducing harmful oxidation and blocking the misfolding of beta-amyloid proteins. Incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your meals could offer meaningful support for long-term brain health. Beyond their vibrant color, purple vegetables like purple sweet potatoes, beets, and purple riceberry are garnering significant attention for their potential role in protecting the brain from age-related decline. Recent research is especially promising. For example, a 2020 study revealed that water extract from purple sweet potatoes improved spatial working memory and lowered oxidative stress in animal models experiencing cognitive decline. This suggests that the bioactive compounds in these vegetables, particularly anthocyanins, may help shield the brain from harmful processes that contribute to diseases like Alzheimer's. Another striking discovery comes from studies on purple rice berry. In a 2011 experiment using rats modeled for Alzheimer's disease, regular consumption of rice berry not only prevented memory impairment, but also protected the hippocampus, a key memory center in the brain. The results point toward the neuroprotective effects of purple vegetables and their potential to slow or even prevent the progression of neurodegenerative conditions. Beets, too, offer compelling evidence. Research published in 2018 found that betanin, a pigment abundant in beets, could slow the accumulation of misfolded proteins in the brain, a process closely linked to Alzheimer's disease. Scientists believe that by targeting these protein buildups, betanin may help prevent some of the damaging effects associated with cognitive decline. This insight opens the door to the development of new strategies and even medications that harness the power of natural plant compounds. What makes these purple vegetables so powerful? The answer lies in their rich concentration of anthocyanins and other antioxidants. These compounds neutralize free radicals and dampen inflammation in the brain, two key factors implicated in the development and progression of Alzheimer's disease. In doing so, they help protect delicate neurons from damage, support healthy blood flow to the brain, and may even encourage the growth of new nerve cells. Incorporating purple vegetables into your diet is easier and tastier than you might expect. Roasted purple sweet potatoes make a delicious side, while beet salads and purple rice bowls offer vibrant options for any meal. Their benefits go beyond brain health. These foods are also rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, supporting heart health, digestion, and overall wellness. While the bulk of current evidence comes from animal studies, the consistency and strength of these findings make a compelling case for adding more purple vegetables to your plate. Human trials are underway, and experts are optimistic that continued research will confirm the powerful effects seen in the lab. In the meantime, a diet rich in colourful, plant-based foods, especially those high in anthocyanins, remains a cornerstone of preventive health. When combined with other healthy habits like regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and staying mentally active, the simple act of enjoying more purple vegetables could become a vital part of safeguarding your memory and cognitive abilities as you age. Scientists continue to explore the unique compounds in these foods, seeking to unlock new ways to combat neurodegenerative diseases. Each fresh study adds to the growing body of evidence that nature's palate holds the key to a healthier, sharper mind. As we look to the future, the promise of purple vegetables offers hope in the fight against Alzheimer's disease and age-related memory loss. Embracing these naturally nutrient-rich foods is a delicious, accessible, and proactive way to support brain health, one colourful bite at a time. Imagine a future where memory loss is no longer inevitable. A future where simple choices you make at the dinner table can help protect your brain and preserve your sharpness for years to come. Recent scientific discoveries are turning this vision into reality, highlighting the remarkable power of purple vegetables, especially purple sweet potatoes, in the fight against Alzheimer's disease and cognitive decline. Purple sweet potatoes stand out due to their high concentrations of anthocyanins, the natural pigments responsible for their vibrant color. These compounds are more than just visually appealing. They act as powerful antioxidants within the body, neutralizing harmful free radicals that contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Both of these processes are closely linked to the development and progression of Alzheimer's disease, making anthocyanins a valuable ally in protecting your cognitive health. Animal studies have provided compelling evidence of these benefits. When researchers supplemented the diets of aging mice with purple sweet potato extracts, the results were impressive. The animals experienced significant improvements in memory and learning, reduced inflammation in their brains, and greater preservation of neurons, those critical cells that process and transmit information. Over time, these neuroprotective effects translated into better performance on tasks that required concentration, adaptability, and recall. But the story doesn't end with purple sweet potatoes. Other purple-hued foods, such as purple rice berry, eggplant, and beets, also contain unique compounds with brain-boosting properties. For instance, beets are rich in nitrates, which support healthy blood flow to the brain, enhancing mental clarity and alertness. Purple riceberry offers a blend of anthocyanins and other antioxidants that work together to slow cognitive aging and reduce the buildup of toxic proteins associated with dementia. Incorporating these vibrant vegetables into your daily meals is easier than you might think. Start by swapping ordinary potatoes for purple sweet potatoes in your favorite recipes, or add roasted beets and purple carrots to salads and grain bowls. Experiment with purple rice in stir-fries or as a colorful side dish. The key is consistency. Making these nutrient-dense foods a regular part of your diet will ensure your body receives a steady supply of protective compounds. Pairing these dietary choices with other healthy habits can amplify their benefits. Following a brain-friendly eating pattern like the MIND diet, which emphasizes vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and healthy fats, creates a strong foundation for cognitive health. Regular physical activity, adequate sleep, and keeping your mind active through reading, puzzles, or social engagement all play a crucial role in maintaining brain resilience. While much of the current evidence comes from laboratory and animal research, the early results are promising and align with what we know about the power of nutrition in disease prevention. Researchers are optimistic that as human studies progress, we'll gain even more insight into how purple vegetables can help stave off memory loss and neurodegenerative conditions. By embracing the natural goodness of purple vegetables and living a balanced, active lifestyle, you're giving your brain the best chance to thrive, no matter your age. Every colorful meal could be a step toward a future where Alzheimer's is no longer a fear, but a preventable condition, thanks to the simple, delicious choices you make each day. Recent research provides even more reasons to make purple vegetables a staple in your diet. For instance, a 2020 study found that purple sweet potato extract could significantly influence key mechanisms involved in Alzheimer's disease. The extract helped reduce the aggregation of harmful proteins in the brain, promoted healthy cellular recycling processes, and increased levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, which is vital for learning and memory. In animal models, these changes translated to fewer dying neurons and better performance on memory tests. Remarkable evidence for the neuroprotective power of this humble root vegetable. But the benefits don't stop there. Purple riceberry, another anthocyanin-rich food, has also demonstrated the ability to prevent memory impairment and protect the hippocampus, a region of the brain essential for memory formation. In a study with Wistar rats, riceberry supplementation led to a reduction in acetylcholinesterase activity, meaning it helped preserve the neurotransmitters that enable brain cells to communicate effectively. It also limited the buildup of damaging oxidative molecules, further shielding brain tissue from Alzheimer's-related harm. These findings highlight a crucial point. The anthocyanins that give purple vegetables their vibrant color are more than just pigments. They are powerful agents of cellular defense. By counteracting oxidative stress and inflammation, they help maintain the brain's structural integrity and functional capacity as we age. Although most current studies have been conducted on animals, The results are encouraging enough that researchers are calling for expanded clinical trials in humans to better understand how these foods might translate into real-world prevention or therapy. Incorporating purple sweet potatoes, riceberry, and similar vegetables into your daily meals can be simple and delicious. Roasted, mashed, added to salads or grain bowls, or enjoyed as a snack, they offer versatility as well as health benefits. When combined with other brain-healthy habits, like staying physically active, challenging your mind, and getting enough restorative sleep, these dietary changes can become a cornerstone of your strategy to protect memory and mental sharpness throughout life. While we await more definitive evidence from human studies, the science so far suggests that nature's purple palette holds exciting promise. Embracing these vibrant vegetables is a proactive, enjoyable choice that could yield lasting rewards for your brain health and overall well-being. Emerging research continues to shine a spotlight on the remarkable benefits of purple vegetables in supporting cognitive health and potentially slowing the progression of Alzheimer's disease. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that riceberry, a type of purple pigmented rice packed with antioxidants, significantly prevented memory impairment and protected vital brain regions in animal models of Alzheimer's. Similarly, compounds found in beets, particularly betanin, have demonstrated the ability to inhibit chemical reactions linked to the development of Alzheimer's, according to findings presented at a major meeting of the American Chemical Society. These discoveries suggest that the neuroprotective power of purple vegetables extends beyond just their vibrant color. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in these foods help safeguard the brain from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are known contributors to cognitive decline. In fact, a recent study by the American Academy of Neurology reported that individuals who consumed greater amounts of colorful produce, including purple vegetables, experienced a slower rate of memory decline as they aged. Though much of the current evidence comes from animal studies, the results are compelling and point to the potential of natural dietary approaches in strengthening brain health, including a diverse range of purple vegetables, such as purple sweet potatoes, riceberry, and beets, alongside other colorful fruits and vegetables, may offer a simple yet effective way to reduce the risk of Alzheimer's and preserve cognitive function. As research continues to advance, these findings underscore the importance of a nutrient-rich, plant-focused diet for anyone looking to protect their memory and support lifelong brain health.